To perform maintenance on a pumping unit, an operator must stop the weights, lock out power, and engage the unit's positive stop safety lock, or the dog as it's called, which blocks several thousand-pound rotating counterweights from moving unexpectedly. Having the dog engaged means workers can enter the pump jack's fenced area safely without fear of being struck by the weights. However, in order to access this pivotal safety feature, workers are forced to place themselves inside the fence, directly in line with the counterweights, and manually insert or remove the dog, which sits on the unit roughly 12 feet above the ground. It's a useful safety feature, but flawed, as its user is forced to risk their lives in the exact situation it was created to prevent, being inside the fence before all energy sources are locked out. Patloc Safety Systems is proud to offer the solution that makes the job quick and easy, lowers cost, and most importantly, will save your employees' lives. Patloc is a lever-based system which utilizes a counterarm to allow workers full control of the dog, regardless of how much weight is resting on it or which position the weights are stopped at. This is achieved with a simple push or pull of the Patloc handle, which is conveniently mounted right next to the pump jack's power switch and brake handle, giving an operator ultimate control of that unit and allowing them to safely and easily lock out, tag out before even stepping into the pump jack's fenced area. Patloc acts as an extension from the dog to our Patloc handle, allowing an operator full control of the pump jack quickly and safely from the ground without the need for expensive equipment or using unsafe methods to access the dog. The Patloc Safety System is designed to fit any type, model, and brand of pumping unit available today, provided the unit is pre-equipped with a dog. The entire Patloc system uses bolts and clamps, which allows it to be easily mounted onto the pumping unit with no welding, hot work, or permits required. Plus, installation is simple. Each system can be installed within 15 minutes or less. Once Patloc is installed, setting the dog requires only one person, about 10 seconds, and a simple push of the Patloc handle. This system allows employees to safely and easily set the dog from the ground, ridding the need for expensive, unsafe, or other time-consuming methods. With the Patloc system implemented, it takes no time at all to set the dog so your employees and contractors can complete their jobs quickly and safely. Plus, disengaging is just as simple. No matter where the weights are stopped at or how much weight is applied, the Patloc Safety System will quickly pop the dog out every time. That's the Patloc Safety System guarantee. Your employees and contractors are your most important asset, whose safety is among your greatest responsibilities. Patloc saves time, money, and provides employees with a fast, foolproof method to perform the job without risking their lives. Capitalize on safety. Patloc Safety Systems.